Hi, I'm Rick Morris, and I'm a documentary filmmaker hired by the Sloan Foundation to chronicle the Census of Marine Life. One of the things I do as a documentary filmmaker is I pose questions and hopefully obtain answers from different people that I'm interviewing. In this case, I just returned from Valencia, Spain, where I had a chance to interview nearly 24 researchers, PIs, and project managers who work in and with the census. I posed a number of questions, one of which was how these people felt about collaborating with other scientists and what it meant to their science. These are some of those answers.
Well, the interaction with the scientists throughout the census has been quite incredible, and I think it certainly broadened my perspective on the whole area of biodiversity research. I frankly was not myself a taxonomist. Primarily, I had worked on very small organisms, so particularly phytoplankton. And I absolutely hated sitting in front of a microscope looking at cells and counting and trying to identify them. I was not good at it. In fact, I tended to have somebody else do it. But I think now with barcoding of life and the potential for doing such taxonomy in a more effective and rapid and less subjective way, I think the whole field will be improved, not just anything I might do with it in the future.
The census has given us a tremendous opportunity to network with other scientists around the world, to pool our resources, to work together on ships of opportunity. So we've been able to sample and study biodiversity in the deep ocean in many places that we never could have gone before. And this has been facilitated tremendously by the census.
I think this is one of the big legacies of the Census of Marine Life. We have a very large group of 25 scientists in CHES from 14 different nations.
Yep, including Japan, India, Russia, the US, and many countries in Europe. So it's very far-reaching.
So we have been collaborating with all these people, bringing different people from different nations together, and also with the other deep sea projects as well.
Yes, with the formation of the DESIO group, which is the Deep Sea Education and Outreach group. We've done quite a lot of work together with those people. So.
The biggest impact to me is the people who are working on new technologies, especially the tagging technology impressed me very much. And I really appreciate their contribution to the science, and I wish to carry out some collaboration with them in the future.
First, it's a pleasure to create a group which is very creative, and all together I think we have done a major effort in creating a network with pleasure, sharing the same passion, the same interest to understand the biodiversity and to be able to show how unique is the deep sea, which all time we go at sea we discover something new. New in terms of habitat, new in terms of species, and it's wonderful to work with people who share the same passion.
I hope you enjoyed this short segment and the insights that we were able to bring you on the Census of Marine Life.